Listening to my students for this project was lots of fun. Putting their words into a slideshow was daunting, including my not knowing how to load this video onto a slide, so I'm just speaking. Computers are great tools, but can they substitute for face-to-face instruction? Previous to my experience this semester, I had thought not. Talking with a few of my online students from this semester, especially those who had taken up to 5 classes that went online, I found out what worked and what didn't. One student suggested an online class where there was no video and no communication with the instructor, who simply posted assignments. Another instructor, however, had communications but without rules, including distractions with cameras in bedrooms for the students, where they might be lying on the bed or changing their pants in front of their camera. Talking with my students has convinced me that online instruction can offer the best of all possible worlds, especially when a class has a lot of community and interaction, but also allows the students enough time and direction to complete their assignments.